Hey everyone, we fixing to cook us a few smash burgers on this grill today. And those of you that hadn't been to my channel yet, it's Southern Bayou Adventures. And those of you that have seen my channel, welcome back. We fixing to cook some smash burgers on the Blackstone. So with that, let's get it going. All right, so today we're gonna cook some smash burgers. And basically what you do is you just make your hamburger rolls. You just roll them up in little rolls like that, and just make you some little hamburger balls. And I usually use 80-20 hamburger meat. Don't go getting that real extra lean stuff. I know that everybody on a diet wants to eat all that extra lean stuff, but that extra lean stuff doesn't cook right. For a hamburger to cook right, it's got to have fat. And for a great hamburger in the South, like a smash burger, you need fat. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this here grill going, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a bacon flavor. I use this bacon up. You can buy it you can buy it at Home Depot or Lowe's. They both got it. Or Ace Hardware. I saw it over there and I'm like, doggone, what is this? Well, all this is just bacon fat, and it's in this here bowl. And I've been keeping that stuff on the back of the stove, bacon grease on the back of the stove in a coffee cup for I don't know how long. And it works too if that's how you keep it. But you got to have some bacon grease. Anytime I cook, I like to cook with bacon grease. So this just makes it easier. Like if you're going to cook outside and do a barbecue, or you got a bunch of people over, you don't want to be bringing out some greasy old coffee cup off the back of your stove and sit there and have to dip the grains out of it and extra bacon bits out of it, whenever you can just buy this stuff right here. And it's pure. It's pure. It ain't got none of the bacon bits in it. This stuff's been strained. So I like using this. Now I got the old grill going, and we're gonna put a little bit of this bacon grease on here like that, and we're gonna move it around because I want this thing good and tasting like bacon. And because when we start cooking these, that gives just a little bit of flavor to your hamburgers. And you know, in cooking in the South, flavor is everything. You want to make sure that you have plenty of flavor going on your hamburgers or whatever you got. And so I take these little balls here and I slap them on there like that. Get them on there and spread them out, because remember, this is going to be a smash burger, so we're going to smash her down. Then I put this right here is just parchment paper, and I put parchment paper on there. And you know, that's the same paper that you use when you're making cookies or something like that. But you want to give a good smash on this thing. Now I got a smasher, and but I made smash burgers the other night, and so my smasher is dirty. So I had to use a spatula on this one, but it works the same. The only difference in the actual smasher, it's a smasher. It's round, looks all nice and professional, but you can smash it with a spatula. Just have to get a little pressure on it and get it flat, because that's what makes it cook really fast, and that's what gives you the smash burger. So once I get a good smash on these burgers, I come over here and get me a little bit of pepper and salt. I don't use anything else but just pepper and salt on them, and that really gives them a good flavor. And because you know, when you make a hamburger, you doctor it up with all kinds of stuff, whatever you want. So I just pepper and salt. That's my seasoning for this one. So I sit here and I let these things get good and caramelized on both sides and around the edges. When you do a smash burger, that's what makes a smash burger really good, because it gets really crisp around the edges. And man, that right there, I tell you what, to bite into one of these, if you have one of these smash burgers, you won't ever go back to regular burgers again. Because when I heard about smash burgers, I thought, oh my God. I said, what is a smash burger? And then I had this old boy, he said, I can do a smash burger. And he made me a smash burger. And I told my wife, I said, honey, that was probably the best hamburger I have ever stuck in my mouth. I said, I got to learn how to do that. And so then when I got this here Blackstone grill, and I was watching old YouTube, one of them old boys on YouTube, and he was making smash burgers. And I said, oh my God, you can make smash burgers on this thing. And so I whipped out the old hamburger meat, and next thing you know, I'm cooking smash burgers. But you just cook them and get them caramelized on both sides. And then there's a trick here to a good smash burger. Is whenever you get your buns, you take your buns and you coat the whole inside of your buns with mayonnaise. And you put that mayonnaise on there, and we're gonna cook these now. We're gonna take these buns, and we take these buns and we flop them down there on the grill in that bacon grease, like that, with that mayonnaise on it. Lord have mercy. This is some fine eating. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna toast these buns and everything. So get them good and toasted up. And now let's look at this meat, see how this meat's doing. Oh yeah, this smash burgers are looking good. Oh boy, they're looking really good. So again, I cook these burgers. I heat the Blackstone up. I'll turn it up on high to heat the Blackstone up really good to start with. And then I turn it down to low. Because as you guys know, if you watched my channel before, you know we've talked about this before. I cook a lot of stuff. Most everything I cook is on low. Unless you want your caramelized raw steak. And then you can turn it up on high. And I guess there are some things you can do on high, like maybe if you want to do like a blackened fish or something blackened like that, you know, maybe some seared tuna. That would probably be good. Hey man, that might be another good thing we need to try. I just ain't got no tuna. So, but I do, these things are looking really good right now. They're looking really good. So once these things, let me check this bread here, see how this doing. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. I'm gonna flip this one over and show it to you. See how it's getting toasted on there, and it looks toasted down in that mayonnaise. It's just absorbed down in the bread and everything. That's how you want it to look. I'm gonna let it go just a little bit longer. Oh yeah, boy, those are looking fine. Yes, sirree. And I'm not cooking a whole lot today because it's just me and my wife. And you know, I usually make me one of them double hamburgers. And then she likes a single hamburger. So I'm not cooking for an army today. My grandkids ain't coming over. They in school. So they got to get up early and go to school tomorrow. And my neighbors, they all tired from going to work all day. So they inside watching the news probably. But me, I'm out here cooking because that's what I do. So, all right. So these are looking really good. Looking really good. So we're going to slide them over here to the edge. Now remember on this Blackstone, all of your heat is in the center right here and right here. So when your stuff starts getting done, you just push it over to the side. And it keeps it warm and it keeps it still kind of cooking, but you don't have to worry about it burning. So I'm actually going to turn these off, and that way it'll stop everything. But let's look at this bun here. See there? See there? That looks good. Boy, them buns are getting really good and toasted. I tell you what, I didn't know you could cook with mayonnaise like this. But I tell you what, I even tried mayonnaise on a grilled cheese sandwich the other day. And I put mayonnaise on it. I said, man, that thing turned out delicious. So That's something else you can cook on a flat stone, or, you know, Blackstone. Flatstone, Blackstone, they all the same. So we're going to go ahead and plate these things up just a little bit. So I turn over to get my bottom pieces here. And I take one of these pieces of hamburger, smash burger, and then I get me a piece of American cheese. Now, American cheese is my favorite because it's real creamy. And man, it just works out great in between a smash burger like that. Now this one right here, that's a double smash burger right there. And then you get to put the lid on it like that. And look at that. You ain't never seen no hamburger that's more juicier and enticing to eat than something like this. So what you need to do is y'all need to get on outside and cook you some smash burgers. They're super easy to make. Doesn't take a lot of skill in it. All you got to know is how to smash it. And once you smash it, they turn out delicious. And if you try one, you're going to love it. You will absolutely love it. Now, let me plate up this next one here. Put a piece of American cheese on here. This is my wife. She likes just one patty. So I gave her one of them double patty ones. She said, I don't want no more double patties. This one patty is all I want. So that right there is a single smash burger cheeseburger. How's that? That's probably what your wife's going to want, is a single. And then this right here, just put this on here extra. We'll eat that later. So, but I enjoyed cooking for y'all tonight. And I want y'all just to continue to watch me and continue to learn how to cook. And most of my recipes are going to be simple. And it's all Southern based. And you know, Southern cooking is very easy to do. All you got to do is just get out there and do it. And if you do it wrong, then do it again. Just try it again. That's all you got to do. So with all that being said, I'm going to see y'all next time. And we're going to get on this Blackstone and do some more cooking. And I got a couple more recipes that I got in mind. It's going to really be good. So y'all stay tuned and come back and see me sometime.